I know it's not Friday. Let's make it a Keto Thursday. Actually, I came out with this recipe because on this day it is celebrated as Eggnog Day. Yes, 24th December is celebrated as Eggnog Day, and I realized yesterday in the evening. So thought, why not post this recipe on this special day of eggnog. Why? Because this is your keto eggnog, but it's eggless and there's no alcohol in it. And if you want to put alcohol, you can put it. You must be thinking the name is eggnog and you are saying it's eggless, but it is delicious and you're just going to love it, and you won't be left out with your friends and family who enjoy the eggy one or the rum one or the brandy one or the beer one, eggnog. So let's begin with the delicious keto eggless eggnog recipe. Since the day I tried this recipe, it has become one of my favorite, and it will be yours even too. So first begin by taking a mixer jar, and here I am adding cottage cheese, that is your paneer. This is my homemade paneer. Approximate 1 kilo of milk will give you 250 grams of paneer. And here I am adding some almond milk goes into it. Yes, it's a very easy recipe, and yes, it's an eggless one. Yes, you must be thinking eggnog and eggless. Yes, the flavor is awesome. Here I am adding some cream. If you are an alcoholic drinker, then you can add your choice of drink into it. Add some nutmeg powder, some cinnamon powder. So if you are adding some alcoholic drink, then please reduce the quantity of milk. That is your almond milk. So here I am adding vanilla and some sweetener, that is I am adding erythritol, that would give a good taste in my mouth, a cooling taste which I like it. So I am going to just churn this, and now I am preparing the glasses. So here I have taken some butter, this is melted butter, rolling my glasses in the melted butter, and the cinnamon powder to give that festive look. So here see, my glasses look so pretty. Perfect. I'm going to roll another glass even. My camera is shaking. In fact, it must be shaking with joy. Actually, I enjoyed this recipe while trying. So here I'm making the video of it, and I know it, you're also going to enjoy it. Yes, it's an eggless eggnog. So after, see, my drink is perfectly made, it's quite creamy. So just pour it in the glass. See, after pouring it, I am going to decorate with some whipped cream. Yes, this is my dairy whipped cream, sugar free. I have added erythritol into that even, and I am just pouring the cream. I think so I should have whipped it much more, but doesn't matter. You better whip it more so that you get good type of crust, you can say. See, beautiful. My mouth is watering. Here my glass is full of cream and it's full of creaminess. And now I'm going to, this looks so beautiful. As it is, the drink looks gorgeous. And I'm going to just sprinkle some cinnamon powder to give that drink a beautiful festive look, and enjoy this eggnog. As my friends who are egg eater and non-veg eater, as they are enjoying, I am also enjoying it. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this Keto Eggless. Yes, Keto Eggless Eggnog. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. And happy and sweet and Merry Christmas to all of you.